Hi guys, Steph here. Now, this week I went for one of my normal pen haul hunts. Yes, to find some pens to show you people and to do a pen haul video. Now, not all pen hunts, unfortunately, are fruitful. After getting up very, very early in the morning, even earlier than that, around about 2 o'clock in the morning, and then getting in the car, having I think it was a 2.5 hour drive through the rain, through the wind. Oh, it was horrible. And then once we arrived to the venue, I spent, a couple of hours searching, hunting for pens. And this is it. Yes, this is it. Normally, I would have a pile of pens here for you, show you all the different pens. As I say, not every pen hunt is fruitful, and there's times when we have, a rather wasted day. Well, not so much wasted, there's still 2 nice pens, but yes, I spend a lot of time searching, a lot of time travelling. It costs money, we have to put petrol in the car, and this particular day, this is all I found. Yes, I know some of you people are expecting me to say, no, it's not, and sort of tease you a little bit, but no, this is all I found after a day of travelling in the rain, walking around for hours, travelling all the way back, a long day. So let's just show you what I found. There we go, we've got a fountain pen in a Swan box. If I take the pen out, there we go. Inside we've got this little sort of sleeve or an envelope, and inside there we've got the instructions. And there we go. Okay, now this one, surprisingly, is actually in nice condition. And what we've actually got for you here is a Swan 4460 fountain pen in this black colour. And as you can see there, it's a sort of twist filler. It's in, as I say, the way I found it, it's in actually lovely condition. It's got a lovely, I think it may be a number 4 nib. So it's got a lovely large nib. If you look there, the feed is slightly low for some reason. Okay, now it's got a lovely clear imprint as well. There you go. Hopefully you can see that. A lovely clear imprint. So although it's in nice condition, I'm just going to take it apart to make sure it's got a large necked sack inside. I've not actually tested it, to be honest with you, so what we're going to do, as I say, I'm going to take it apart, make sure it's got the correct sack inside, and then what we'll do, we'll try and find a new home for this pen. So there we go, and as I say, it comes in an original Swan box, a little bit on the tatty side, but the nice thing, it comes with a box. And then we found this one here. And again, coincidentally, the fact that we just found 2 pens, and both pens came in boxes. So there we go, let's open it up, and there we have, look at that. Okay, now it says here, Wyvern the perfect pen. Okay, now although it's a perfect pen, the model of this particular pen is the Wyvern Prefect, and it comes in this lovely brown marbling colour. It's a lever filled fountain pen. It's got the Wyvern logo to the very top there. Okay, it's got an original Wyvern nib with the Wyvern dragon on the nib as well. And once again, it's in quite good condition, just a little bit dull, just needs cleaning. We'll give it a polish. We'll put a brand new sack in it as well. But it's actually, as I found it, it's actually in very nice condition. And the nice thing about it as well, let's take that out. It comes with a matching pencil there, the Wyvern pencil. And as you can see there inside, it also comes with the instruction. So once again, we'll service the pen and the pencil, and again, we'll try and find a new home for this pen as well. So there's 2 pens there that we'll work on and try and find, well, somebody that'll enjoy them for many, many years to come. So there we have it. So today, I'm not going to reel through lots of different pens. All we've bought is 2 pens in 2 boxes. So there you have it. So although we go out pen hunting, we spend time, effort, money, driving in the, in the horrible rain, horrible weather, walking about for hours. Not all pen hunts are fruitful. And for you people out there who turn around to me and say, "Wow, Steph, you're a winner. Oh, you're so lucky having all these pens." Well, there's no luck involved, okay? As you can see, it's all hard work, it's all effort, and in some cases, all that effort doesn't work out, and you find, well, although I was going to say nothing, we found 2, you don't find everything that you want to. So there we have it. So that was a pen hunt, a day spent out hunting, looking, etc. Was not fruitful at all. But if you're not out there looking for them, you don't know. So I hope you've actually enjoyed looking at these 2 pens as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, just there, press that thumbs up symbol, it helps me, I believe. But from these 2 pens, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini, and for now, I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.